Welcome to this tutorial. I'm solving question number 5 of paper 2-1 October-November exam series of 2021. The question is related to the electrostatic charges. The question says a plastic rod that is initially neutral is rubbed with a woolen cloth. After the rod has been rubbed, it is positively charged. Explain in terms of particles why the rod is now charged. So the reason is that the positive charge is created because the electrons have been transferred from the rod to the cloth. So we would say the electrons are transferred from rod onto cloth. So that is why the lack of electrons has created a positive charge. State what happens to the woolen cloth. It becomes negatively charged, or the surface becomes negatively charged because of having excess electrons. An uncharged conducting sphere is suspended from an insulating thread. The positively charged rod is placed near the sphere as shown in the figure. On figure 5.1, draw the distribution of charge on the sphere. So for the distribution of charges, we know that it has positive charges and the negative charges are also distributed accordingly on the sphere. But when the positively charged rod is brought near the sphere, there is a build-up of negative charge on the side from which the rod is nearer. So this side of the sphere builds up more negative charges as compared to positive charges, and this side of sphere has a deficiency of electrons, so a positive charge dominates here. The next part says explain why the sphere is pulled towards the rod. So the reason is because of electrostatic charges. We have negative charges of the sphere are attracted by positive charges of the rod, and distance between negative on the sphere and positive charges on the rod less than the distance between positive on the rod and positive on the sphere. So that is why the repulsive forces are not that stronger the way the attractive forces are. So that is why the sphere is attracted towards the rod. So the question ends here with this part.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.